Hey Jim, coming to you today from upstate South Carolina. As you can see, I'm in a scrapyard, and they have a little bit of everything, and it's all kind of mixed together. So today I'm looking for some sort of little parking light for a little secret project I have going on, and I'm also gonna pick up a few barrels. But meanwhile, I'm gonna have a look around this crazy place. There's something. Bet you he drove this quite a ways with that held together like that. Yikes. Wow. Look how the engine shoved clear back. That was a hard hit. I need to put those on the 911. Look at that. BMW convertible. These guys will buy anything. Running, not running, cut apart, scrap pieces. It all gets purchased for the same price. They weigh it. They are paying currently $7 per 100 pounds across the board. So that means I could sell my $500 Ford pickup truck for about $450 scrap value here, something like that. It's not for sale. That looks a little sketchy. It's kind of windy and cold out here. If you hear the wind noise, sorry. Look at this old boom truck. Chain drive. That looks like a really good place to lose fingers or more. Looks like that grill on that Mercedes is intact. I kind of want that. Looks like it might be hard to get to. Well, now, there's some parts you could use for a rat rod. Just goes on and on and on. Oh boy, I found some nice older stuff. Look out. Look at that chrome. Well, they're taillights. They're pretty cool. I don't see any screws or anything. And I'll bet the trunk is locked. Old Jaguar. That's surprising to find here. Well, Country Squire station wagon. Is that the mid-60s? Aw, poor baby. Oh boy. You gotta get a closer look at that. Wow. This looks like something fairly unusual. A two-door, all metal service truck. What is this? Maybe it was like a bakery home delivery truck or something like the Helms Bakeries. Had something like this maybe. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing. interesting. These wheels. No, not the Miata. Hell, that looks savable. Who would sell a Miata for scrap?